Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, for Indian map, I'll play a game with that with my mom. And here I have a sun timer. Look at that, and I have to answer before sun timer goes all off. Okay. Once again, let it reset. I'll let it reset here. So this is my sound timer, and my mom will ask me any of these. My mom can ask me any of these. So I have to find it, and I have to find it as quick as I can. Okay. Very awesome. So now also my mom will also count in 5 minutes how much I can find. Okay, so let's start the game in 3, 2, 1.
Haryana.
Haryana. Yes.
Okay. Then Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. It should be
Time is going on.
Oh no. Oh, here it is. I found it.
Bhutan.
Bhutan. Once again, it will not take any time. And
East. I'm giving you the clue. East.
East.
Yeah.
What is it?
East.
East. The name
Bhutan.
of it?
Bhutan.
Bhutan. It should be just right here.
Yeah. Then you have to find Great Indian Desert.
Here it is.
Yeah. Then the next one is Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Yeah. If you want a hint, you can just ask.
Here it is.
Yeah, that's good. Now okay, your next is Jammu and Kashmir.
Here. Here.
Yeah. Then the next one is okay, Gujarat.
Gujarat is easy.
Okay.
It's like a frog.
Yeah. Then Then Bihar.
Bihar. It will be easy.
Okay.
Can you give me a hint?
Bihar. Okay. In east only. Like
East. Bihar.
yes.
East. I think yes, I found it.
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, you typed.
Now the next one is next one is Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. I solved it.
It is in south. I'm giving you a hint. Yeah.
That's south. What you said?
Tamil Nadu. South, not north. South.
Tamil Nadu. Get it.
Yeah, correct. Then the next is, let me think. Yeah, the next one is Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Kathmandu.
In the north only. North, yeah.
Kathmandu.
North, yeah. This is east, Arish. Yeah, just go. No.
I
Yeah, I think here there. Yeah, just find it. Kathmandu.
Kathmandu.
You are too close. We can see that. No, you are going far now. Just go back. Yeah. Yeah, your finger is on that. Yes.
Now I'll do one thing.
The next one, yeah, our time is going on. So the next is Ladakh range.
Ladakh range. I know it. It's here.
Oh, okay, that's good. These are. Then the next is okay. Next is Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the Madhya
It's in the
Pradesh.
center, like.
Yes, it is in the center. That's why it's called a Madhya Pradesh. So okay, the next one is Arish. The next one is Uttar Pradesh. Oh, you are too good in that. Okay, the next one is okay, Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah, Kerala.
Kerala. I think it's somewhere in here.
South only. Okay, just find it out. Kerala.
I saw it in my other Indian map.
Okay.
I think Kerala is.
You are on the Kerala. Now you are going far away. You were on the Kerala only. Yeah.
Kerala?
Yeah.
Like far. Cold or hot?
So this is the Kerala. No?
Oh man, that was so sneaky.
Okay.
Oh, timer has got over. So I did so much fun, and I'll just tell you one thing. You can play this film, and the second thing I'll also tell. These are the here, they are above sea level here, above 4,000 meters, 3,000 to 4,500 meters. This game and this map is very awesome. If you do it with a marker, you can easily erase it in this map. So that's very useful. So you just go for this and play with it. Bye guys.